Hi guys, it's me, Carly from Carly's Creative Clay. I know I normally live stream on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. I'm gonna have to cancel today. I am absolutely exhausted from yesterday. So I've got out of bed long enough to make this quick video so I'm not just leaving you all wondering where I am, and I'm gonna go back to bed afterwards. I did have an amazing day yesterday, so there's some pictures of me. I totally did go in the ocean and floated around and it was lovely. Yeah, I am wearing Crocs in that. It's not that easy to keep your Crocs on when you're in the water, but it's better than standing on stones. I took a couple minutes worth of video, so I'm going to show you that. So I fulfilled my promise of showing you what it was like on, I think it's Ferring Beach right near Worthing. But yeah, great day, but I'm shattered, so I'll see you all next Wednesday. Bye, enjoy. Right, I'm here at the beach. So the water is lovely and lovely warm today, which I didn't expect. I really like, I don't know if you can see all the seaweed that's in the water, how pretty it looks. Isn't it beautiful? See, can I get you a better shot? Just stunning. A beautiful, large, open beach. Isn't it great? So this is going to be my day, hanging around with some water. I promised you all I'd share. I've got more stones in my shoes than I've got feet, but it's totally worthwhile. I am a happy, happy person. Well, I'm going to stop filming and enjoy it. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.